and then the Mac, all it's doing is displaying results. So for example, yeah, so none of the neural processing, none of the computer vision processing, none of it was done on the Mac. So this has the Myriad X on it. It's behind this heatsink is this Myriad X system on module that's like the core of the OpenCV AI kit, which is what allows you to take this board and adapt it to whatever you want. And so this is actually doing the stereo depth. This little thing is doing the stereo depth. It's doing the neural inference. It's doing the stereo neural inference. And they can also do video encoding like H264, 265, feature tracking, all those sorts of features. You can trade, which you want to run for your application. And the total like performance metric is 4 trillion operations per second. So you have a ceiling of 4 trillion operations per second. And unlike a lot of other chipsets, so Movidius did a lot of very interesting things. It clearly had a ton of experience on implementing computer vision solutions. So like with